Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we are studying chapter human skeleton. In that we are studying topic appendicular skeleton. Now we all know that human skeletal system is divided into two, axial and appendicular. Let's study about appendicular today. Your appendicular skeletal system will not include regions like skull, thoracic or your vertebral column. It includes regions like your pectoral girdle, pelvic girdle, bones of the limb and clavicle. These are the major four regions or parts of your appendicular skeleton. Now bones in appendicular skeleton are divided, or you can say placed in different order, and they are associated with one another also. Appendicular skeleton. Now if I talk about appendicular skeleton, is basically consisting of pectoral girdle, pelvic girdle, bones of your limb as well as clavicle. Now pelvic girdle, these are the bones that are articulated anteriorly and in the midline by cartilaginous joints, which are termed as pubic symphysis. And the major function of this pelvic girdle is that it provides attachment site as well as support to your hind limb and skeleton. It gives maximum mobility or movement to the hind limbs, especially while doing certain strenuous activities. Your coxal bones, tibia, fibula, bones of your wrist, palm, together could be included in appendicular skeleton. They basically provide support to your vertebral column or your spinal cord with the help of your sacrum region. Now, they provide surface area for attachment to the hip muscles during movement. So students, in this part of the chapter, what we did study was about appendicular skeleton. How does appendicular skeleton works, what are the regions included in it, and how it provides support to the body. I hope you all are very clear about this concept. Thank you.